For me, and for most of your clients, this is the highlight of the manicure, and this is the massage. So I use a nice hand cream. Just position some on the hand. And with a massage, we use 3 basic strokes. We use the effleurage, which is a long stroking motion. So we start every massage with effleurage. So the idea is to warm the hand up, so we go strong strokes down. It's a good idea to ask your client what kind of pressure they like, because everybody's different. So long, firm strokes up to the elbow. Back down again. So we do this about between 3 and 6 times. And what we're doing is we're warming the hand and the tissue, and we're also helping with lymphatic drain. This helps with the circulation. So gently turn the hand over and do the underneath, same. Long strokes. You might find that when you put the hand over, you need to put some more massage cream on, and that's fine to do that. So again, to the side, long, firm strokes. So you should feel the skin warming under your hand. Turn the hand over again, and this time we're going to use the pressage, which is a kneading motion. So we start here with the wrist, and we just use gentle circles just to massage around the wrist, and you'll be surprised at how much tension you can feel. So just go to the top, just small circular motion. And this will stimulate your skin, and it will also help to start remove toxins. Again, just make sure you're doing the right pressure. Don't press too hard, and then on the other hand, if you do it too softly, it just feels like tickling. After that, we're going to come along the metatarsals with the same round circular motion. So if you see some red areas on the skin, don't worry about that, that's erythema, and that is the blood coming to the surface. So that's nothing to worry about at all. So when we've done that, we're going to cup the finger between our index finger and our middle finger, and we're going to slightly pull and make an exaggerated motion where you flick the finger out at the end. We're just going to gently pull. So again, we do this about 3 to 6 times. After that, another motion, we're going to hold the finger in the same way, but do a slightly chopping motion. And again, flick the finger at the end. This just helps loosen all your joints. And this is really good for people that sort of use their fingers a lot on the computer or typing. It just helps loosen all of those joints up. Turn the hand over again, and this time we're going to do a friction motion. So we're going to go from side to side, put in pressure, just slide in our thumbs from side to side, and then we're going to go up the forearm doing this. We always go up to the forearm and towards the heart. Pay a lot of attention to really massage and use firm pressure in the palm of the hand. And by this stage, if you're like me, you're nearly asleep. And we take again onto the fingers and flick at the end. We can see how red the hand is, and that's a really good sign. Turn the hand over again, and then we finish again with our long strokes. And then the very last one, just slowly glide